Good evening. Today we have arrested a Russian national at Morji for possession of drugs. Total seizure is to the tune of 1,75,00,000. This Russian has been in Goa for the last 15 years. He comes, exits, comes back, and he's got his wife and a daughter in Russia and a girlfriend from whom he has a boy in Goa. Now this raid, we had definite information, we were tracking him. The raid began last night around 10:30 like that and ended in the early morning. Exact time would be 9:30, about 9:30 and thereafter. It ended in the morning. What we have seized is 2 kilos of what is known as hydroponic weed. Weed is the word, common name in your short name for ganja or marijuana as it's called abroad. Hydroponic weed is cultivated in laboratory conditions. For that you require UV light and special containers. Now this is very expensive. This weed is mostly used by celebrities. Then besides that we've got 1.180 kilos of charas, hashish, that is worth 5.75 lakhs, and 15 grams of LSD. All total is worth 1,75,000. It's the biggest haul by us.
Every lead from where he used to bring the lead makers.
This was coming from several places in North India. I will not specify, but he used to go, he used to collect it from Delhi and bring it.
Is he Big Shaq or the supplier?
त्याच्या वडल्याने आहे आसतले ते केन्ना फुडें येना आसलेले. फेस टू फेस ते केन्ना मेळोंकूच ना.
From North India it is.
North India.